Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an AC condenser. First, gather all your necessary tools, including a set of wrenches, a vacuum pump, and safety glasses. Always prioritize safety by disconnecting the vehicle's battery and ensuring the engine is completely off. Remember, handling refrigerant requires specialized equipment and proper disposal methods to protect both you and the environment. Next, you will need to safely discharge the refrigerant from your AC system. This step requires a certified recovery machine to prevent environmental release. After that, carefully remove the front grille and bumper assembly to gain full access to the condenser. You will then locate and disconnect the two AC lines that are attached to the condenser, being mindful of any residual pressure. Now, unbolt the old condenser from its mounting brackets, typically held by 4 bolts, and carefully remove it from the vehicle. Take your new AC condenser and position it, ensuring it aligns perfectly with the mounting points. Secure it with the bolts you removed earlier. Finally, reconnect the two AC lines, making sure to use brand new O-rings to ensure a leak-free and secure connection. For the final steps, evacuate the AC system using a vacuum pump for a minimum of 30 minutes to remove all moisture and air. Then, recharge the system with the specified amount of R134, a refrigerant, usually around 2 pounds for a GMC Sierra. After recharging, thoroughly check for any leaks using a leak detector and test the AC system's cooling performance to ensure everything is working correctly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.